What's up, everybody?
What's up, guys?
This is Artem,
I'm Ash.
and we are. Well, today we're making a second video of our series,
Classics and remixes.
Classes and Remix. But yeah, today is the number 2 video, and best drink to do that is
Old fashioned, right?
right. It's so much we can talk about this drink. Basically, grandfather of cocktails.
Yep.
You know, it appeared
1806.
was
But
back in the day. Your grandfather. And mother were drinking that shit.
yeah, they were drinking that
ready.
while they were riding their horses to work.
Horses and old fashioned. I mean,
Yep.
sounds like a life.
Yeah.
Why not?
There wasn't really a lot of ice available.
Oh, they were drinking it warm.
Yeah, probably why they had more hair in their chests.
100%. Testosterone after this drink was spiking.
Yeah.
We're gonna make a couple classic variation and then riffs and
Let's get into it. What is an old fashioned, Artem?
according to the 1806 definition, it wasn't named old fashioned. It was basically the cocktail, which was definition of spirit, bitters, sugar, and water. And that was it. Down the road, when the new things start appearing, like absinthe, rinse, Manhattans, boom, boom, boom.
The muddled fruit.
Yeah, we will talk about it later. People start calling it old-fashioned. Like, let me get that old-fashioned way, right?
So yeah, so it was the first cocktail created. It was basically the definition of the word cocktail.
Let's do the most basic old-fashioned first.
The original kind of standard recipe that you get all over the place, I would say 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, being 1 cup sugar to 1 cup water, heated up just until the sugar is dissolved. We're gonna go classic Angostura bitters.
And orange bitters.
Yeah, I usually always throw orange bitters.
You kind of should.
I think it's
tastes better.
It tastes better, adds some brightness. So I did 3 dashes of that Angostura, 2 dashes of the orange. Of course, our bourbon or whiskey, 2 ounces of that.
Maker's Mark, contact us.
Oh yeah.
We need the sponsor money.
46, aged in French oak. Our hand-flavored ice.
Our favorites. The original old-fashioned, nobody was picking up with the dunks. It was maybe from outside. It was called, just like right now in New York, you rip it off. Ice piece of the street, put it in a glass. Listen, people didn't really care about hygiene back then.
All right. So you strain it out over the big cube. Classic garnish. Orange twist. Express it over the top. Get the oils around the glass. And of course, an Amarena cherry. The best kind of cherry. Put it right in. And that's it.
Let's give it a taste. I actually like this drink more than martini or anything.
Oh yeah?
Mm-hmm.
It's more your style?
Mm-hmm. It's good. Balanced, yeah. Not too sweet. But this is your most common old-fashioned again. That's what you gain 99% of the time. Unless your bartender is really good, which is also a rare thing. Or unless you order Bartini Brooklyn.
I mean, you'll always get it good.
The link's down below.
Yep, Bartini Brooklyn. We know how to make old fashioned.
How are we gonna make original old fashioned? Just to show you guys what it was. The classic old fashioned, or what it was called, the cocktail.
Yes.
We're gonna start off with a little bit of sugar. Boom. I think 1 is enough. We take a little bit of bitters. Boom, boom. Oh, a little bit of water. Hear the grind, right?
Oh yeah.
This is good. I think we take the Maker's Mark 46 and some whiskey. Lemon peel and the orange peel, right?
Yep. Like we said before, they didn't really have a lot of ice back then. You would just kind of have to drink it nice and strong.
This is what it was. Oh, now take a look.
That's the 1806 recipe right there.
Yeah, if you buy this for $25, it's crazy nowadays. But back in the day, it was probably like a couple pennies.
It was probably 5 cents.
5 cents.
Not
so
even.
Grandfather
Or
cocktail,
grandfather's. Or grandfather's cocktail. Woo! Off the bat, you smell the whiskey. It's way stronger. It tastes like the 1800. For this one right now.
Yum.
It's freaking delicious.
I'm actually rethinking my life choices. I might start ordering like the old-fashioned way.
Yeah.
This hits.
It's
this
really good.
hits. Yeah, yeah.
You taste all the flavors.
You're exposed to a lot of bigger and broader palettes. It's really good. even though it doesn't look good. But listen, you'll probably see some versions people take like a cube and they also do a slice of orange and they just muddle all together. That's that Wisconsin way. Here a little bit later down the road, just the fruits, the cherry, the garnishes.
Yeah, a little soda water, muddled fruit like the orange and the cherries. I think it was really popular in like the 80s, the 90s.
Yeah.
The old fashions had many lives, and now we've kind of moved towards an even different way. Let's make the kind of modern mixology way of old fashioned.
Yeah, let's do it.
Your demerara syrup is here, right?
Actually, this is rich syrup.
2 cups of sugar, right?
2 cups of sugar to 1 cup of water, yeah.
Okay. About a 1/4 ounce, maybe a touch less. We're going to do our bitters. So, of course, your Angostura, 3 dashes.
Orange.
And 2 dashes of our orange bitters. And let's go 2 ounces of our Maker's Mark. And then we're going to do both the orange and the lemon twist. You can even do a touch of salt when you're mixing, just to open up the flavors.
This is some good shit right here. This is what you expect when you order a nice elevated old fashioned and a good cocktail bar.
Yeah. 3 styles of old fashions here. You have the way that you see it often today. You have the old 1806 recipe, OG, and you have your cocktail bar recipe of what you see in modern kind of cocktail spaces across the world.
Now we can move to the riffs and make a couple funky old fashions. Yeah, a couple remixes. Cause why not? Da-da-dum, Bartini brew.
And the boom.
Honestly, the tulips that we're gonna make, it's coming basically from the things that we have. We just looked around, we saw some stuff, and we thought it's gonna be really cool. So first of them is gonna be a rye chocolate cherry old fashioned, and the second one.
Second one is gonna be a 10-year aged rum old fashioned with cardamom, a little cinnamon, and a little apricot.
And the third one, Oaxacan old fashioned.
Yeah, that's Death & Co.'s tequila mezcal old fashioned that they created, I think, in like 2008. But now it's a staple all across America. And
super popular.
Yeah, it's really good.
For rye, as a sweetener, we're gonna use the cherry syrup itself.
The first restaurant I worked at, it was an Italian restaurant. Our house old fashioned actually used the Amarena cherry juice instead of simple syrup, demerara, sugar cube. So it's a really great way to make old fashions, definitely on the newer style.
Chocolate bitters.
Oh yeah.
I do probably just three of them. Cherry bitters I probably do a little less, because we already have that cherry syrup in it. And then 2 ounces of the Knob Creek rye, 100 proof, very good whiskey.
Oh yeah.
You see it's done. I wasn't actually using it. I didn't really drink all this.
Yeah, you've clearly gotten into that one.
That's my pre-workout. Alright guys.
The rye is much more drier, pepperier than the bourbon.
Yeah.
So for this old fashioned, I think it'll go really well because you have the sweetness of the chocolate and the cherry.
Okay, so we do 2 ounces.
And a little love, right?
Oh, a little.
A little for good luck.
I always like this, a little flick of the wrist. Nice scoops. Do a nice stir. People say it's about 20, 30, what is it?
Yeah, rotations.
Rotations. Trade it on a big cube.
Cherries.
And a little chocolate.
Nice.
Looks great.
You just impress yourself, right?
Yeah.
That looks good. I love a drink that comes with a treat.
All right, let's try that really quick. Honestly, super good. Very good. And you can taste that. Well, the garnish just fell, but it doesn't make our drink any worse.
Honestly, this is really good.
Yeah, this is super good.
It's really good. Nice and cherry, bright with the cherry, but it's still really spirit forward. Yeah. I really like this.
Tastes amazing.
I got this bottle in Puerto Rico when I went with my girlfriend. We got 10-year aged Bacardi rum. Really good in old fashions because it was aged in bourbon cask.
We did a little bit of Cinnamon simple syrup. The way you make it, you just do regular simple syrup and you infuse it with the cinnamon, basically.
No shit.
I basically boiled the cinnamon sticks together with the syrup and let them sit for about an hour or two, and it gives you that really good smell and taste. So
Yeah, it smells amazing.
let's do a little bit of that.
Alright, so we'll do 1/4 ounce of the cinnamon syrup. And then we're going to go 1/4 ounce of apricot liqueur. We're going to go cardamom bitters. Our 10-year rum. And about 2 ounces of that. So this is definitely a good kind of fall style old fashioned. You have those fall flavors of the cinnamon, the apricot, cardamom, or winter flavors. Boom.
Yep.
And we're gonna garnish it with a nice cinnamon stick.
Cinnamon stick and then maybe orange peel.
Yeah, let's do it.
Or even orange, dry orange. Was better.
You can, I mean, you know, the dehydrated fruit is great for if you're doing like large quantities of drinks, or if you want to save your fruit so it doesn't go bad.
Mm-hmm.
It's a great option to have.
Wow, looks good.
Smells really good. Oh, that apricot is crazy.
Yo, we got a
All right, we just made a winner.
We made a winner.
Cool, because we made this up just looking at what we have available in our house. So
Yeah, you really think about creativity comes from lack rather than just abundance of everything. So
true.
Whatever you have, guys. Honestly, you don't have apricot, try with something else. It's really about mixing and trying what fits together.
Yeah.
But this is amazing.
It's important that you really just look at the template, look at the formula. So you have spirit, you have bitters, you have sugar, and you have citrus oils. So really it's just kind of mixing and matching and trying different scenarios, and you could really create something amazing.
Oaxacan old fashioned.
Yeah, so this is like a modern classic here.
We both thought that it's actually 2 ounces of mezcal, and we just looked up the actual cocktail in Death and Co. who created it. It's actually a mix of tequila, reposado, and mezcal. Let's start with the agave. All right.
So we'll do 1/4 ounce of agave nectar.
Agave syrup is pretty much, you do a half agave, half water, maybe even less water since agave is not as sweet.
Do a little mango.
A little orange.
And a little orange.
A little orange. Half an ounce of mezcal.
Half ounce of the mezcal.
Mm-hmm.
And then you're going to go 1 1/2 of the tequila, the reposado.
Again, guys, it's good to experiment. I do my Oaxacan old fashions, and I feel like most people expect it to be 2 ounces.
Alright. Great if you're someone that doesn't like bourbon, whiskey, but you want to still have something spirit forward, not like a margarita. This is your perfect drink. You have a tequila with a touch of mezcal, old fashioned. This would be really good with a lime twist.
Right. If you got an orange and lime.
Yeah. So that lime would kind of brighten it with lime and tequila. Always a good.
You know, it's a mix.
Try it.
Guys, this is pretty good too. I feel like the blend of tequila and mezcal is not overpowering, so you get that smokiness, but it's not taken apart from this being still old-fashioned. If you're really into the tequila scene or agave scene.
Definitely. No, definitely. And you can see it's a lot lighter in color than the others. Like a badass if you walked into a bar and ordered a Oaxacan old fashioned.
I don't know about badass, but you're definitely a rebel.
I'm a loner, Daddy. A rebel.
You're definitely against traditions, and you want to be known. You want to show that you know current cocktails, because this is hot, and especially in New York, people do order this a lot. This is what we decided to make with what we had. I would love to make another brandy old fashioned. That's my favorite.
My go-to, honestly, I think I like classic bourbon. Actually, I guess like the modern classic mixology way with the Demerara. That's kind of my favorite.
What about this?
Although now that I've tried that 1806,
Yeah, we might switch
but
her.
I think we might get crazy looks if we walked into a bar and ordered a old-fashioned neat.
The 1806
Yeah.
old fashioned.
And it's so, I wonder if anyone would even know how to make it.
Guys, if you want to be different, go for that. Or go for any of those. And yeah, don't be scared to try. Be creative with stuff that you have. Just have fun with it. Honestly.
Definitely.
Yeah. Because, I mean, old fashioned is perceived as this manly man cocktail. And, you know, mostly you will get working at the bar that men order this and they're just like, yeah, assertive, bold, and blah, blah, blah. But honestly, there's so much you could do with it, and it could be more than just what is it perceived to be. We can make old fashions and just to anybody. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe.
Sarap pakarayt. Sarap pakarayt. Yes, yes.
Yes.
Hit thumbs up.
Also comment, let us know what old-fashioned you'd like us to make, and we'll make anything you guys suggest.
Or next video. You can
Or
also
a
tell us.
completely different cocktail. Yeah, let us know what you want to see.
Bartini Brooklyn, that's us. Down below, social media down below, guys. Thank you for watching. Hearts him again, Ash.
I'm Ash, and
Together we are
Bartini Brooklyn. Cheers.